I am Neela Khatri, and I am Senior Systems Analyst with the Quality Management Program Laboratory Services, otherwise known as QMP-LS. As part of our Lean initiative at QMP-LS, the Corporate Services Division embarked on a task to reduce the time spent on creating histograms. I will be showing you the old method of creating histograms and also the new automated method of creating histograms. Both the new and old method use an in-house software developed by QMP-LS known as the Histogram Maintenance Screen. Down the left side are all the tests and samples for the survey. When a histogram is created, the graph icon will become colored. On the top right and middle right sections, we create the histogram. On the very bottom, the histogram can be previewed. Previously, before automation, each histogram had to be created individually. To create a histogram, you need to know what you are grouping by, what you are going to plot, what highlighting you will be showing, the start value, and the increment. In this example, I will be grouping by the reagent, plotting the instrument, and highlighting the reagent mean and allowable limits. First, I will select the test and sample on the left side. Then, on the top right, I will add a record. And click OK. I will select reagent, instrument, method mean, and flagging range as the graph parameter. This gives me the group by value, the plot value, and the highlighting value. Now I save. Information about the results for the survey is displayed, such as the minimum value, maximum value, mean, and median. These values will help me determine the start value and the increment to use for this histogram. In the middle right section, I will add a record. I will select an appropriate subset of reagents, which is this one. Then, using the minimum value and the maximum value, I will make an educated guess for the start value and the increment. In this case, I will set the start value at 220 and the increment at 10. Now I click OK. The graph is now displayed on the bottom, and the graph icon on the left side is now colored. The start value and the increments can be changed if necessary. Doing this for each test and sample is very time-consuming and tedious. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to create one histogram. To reduce the time to create histograms, a software program was written to automate this process. It uses the group by, plot, and highlighting values from the previous survey and gets the start value and the increment values from the current survey. To demonstrate this, I will now click the Auto Histogram option on the top of the screen. Click Yes on the dialog box to import from a previous survey. Then I will select the Enzyme 1207 survey and wait for the histograms to be created. The histograms will appear. All applicable tests and samples will have the graph icon colored. The new auto histogram program is a lot faster than creating each histogram individually. The start value and increments can be modified if required. Now it takes less than 1 minute to create each histogram. QMP-LS creates about 2,000 histograms a year. We started using the auto histogram program in the fall of 2012, and it will be saving us about 100 person-hours a year. Finally, I would like to thank Alex Lisnaria, Shelley Rowe, Margaret Hall, Jason Shard, and Darlene Cameron in assisting in the content and the production of this video.